Oh, Shannon, I can hear the power in your voice, and I think you've got like loads more to give. Honestly, that was lush. Well done, babe. Zoe.
Honestly, your online audition didn't do your voice justice. Like, the video didn't do your voice justice at all. Like, you came in here tonight and I knew you were nervous, but honestly, you smashed it. Yeah, you forgot the words a little bit, but I think that was a bit down to nerves, and that's why I feel like you'll definitely benefit from this process, like vocally and with like your confidence, because there's no need for you to be so, what's the word, like, yeah, uptight. You just need to let loose, because you've got bags and bags and bags of potential, and I feel like you've got a lot more to offer than what we've seen of you on your online audition tonight, so keep going. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Emily?
Yeah, that was a lovely performance. You could tell you was nervous, but we all get nervous when we first start out. You've got like an old school kind of voice, and yeah, it's like, and the lower register of your voice is really lovely actually. You can hear kind of the vibrato coming through as well, but I definitely think this procedure will help you and benefit you loads, because you have got loads of potential. But it was a great performance, well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Shannon, we have seen you before. I can't remember what season it was, but it was a few seasons. Oh, was it Time Such Coming season 1? That's right. And obviously you couldn't stay because you had to go and give birth because you was heavily pregnant. So we didn't have a chance to see you blossom. It was devastating, really, because with this sort of process, if you want to do well with your self-esteem, with your confidence, you have to be committed. You have to stick at it. So I pray to God that this time around you do. I really do, that nothing jumps in the way, because it's going to spoil it for you again if you can't have the chance to do it, alright? But now you're back, I must say, there was something I picked up in your voice this time, which I didn't really pick up last time, because I didn't have the opportunity to find who you were, or what you're about, or what's going to benefit you. And but some people might think I'm mad saying this, but you might think I'm mad saying it, but it is 100%. I am very, very certain that you need to be singing classical music. And I know you're probably thinking, I've never done classical, but there is a texture in your voice that I'm listening to that I can promise you 100%, I know it and I can feel it, that if you went away and learned something classical, Time to Say Goodbye or something like that, you can still strip it back into a piano version, and you come back with that, and I can guarantee you everyone will go, oh my God, yeah, that's exactly what you need to be doing. I need you to look into that, because if you want to find the best of you as a singer, you need to be looking at that 100%, or at least try it and then see what happens. But I am 100% certain that that is where you need to be going as an artist, 100%. Because you do seem like you still don't know yourself, and you're still unsure of what to do or where to go. And I'm watching you, and you can see you're looking for yourself. And we do have people come to the process. That's what this process is for, to find yourself as an artist. But I'm telling you that bit of advice because you are that sort of singer. That's where you need to be. And once you start doing that, the best of you's going to come out. But you've done really, really well for there today. I think it was better than the last time I seen them. 100%, and that is a benefit. So please take the advice on board. If you're a bit unsure what to look at now, just message me and I'll run through some ideas. You might have to learn some new stuff, but that's what it's all about. You're here to learn, you're here to grow, right? But fantastic way in. Well done.